All right, I think my mic is on now. It should be good. Let me just check my mic really quick. Give me just a second. Let me check my mic. Hopefully it's working. My mic is on now. All right, I think I'm good with the mic. Should be good. Let me just check my mic. All right. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let me check my mic. So come in, ask a question. We'll get a brief overview of what happened in the markets. So if we look at right now, BTC's down. So I honestly thought we would probably come in a little bit stronger this Monday, but BTC's a little bit down. It's not down too much. It was like hovering closer to 119,000. Right now we're at 118,000, and I think we broke 118. Ethereum's actually holding up pretty well. So yeah, I mean the market is just taking a slight dip, not too bad. If we look at the S&P, it ticked up. It's at 0.08%, closing at new record 63.94. So it looks like the stock market is doing pretty good. It's just the crypto market that has a little bit of sell off. But what people are saying, there's a lot of shorts at higher prices. So like at that 120, 121 mark, there's a lot of shorts already in place. So a lot of people are speculating we could get a big short squeeze at those levels, 120 to 123, and move on to the next leg up. Again, we're getting close to August, so I think it's going to be a huge month for altcoins. We're getting closer to the end of the year, August, September, October, November, December. So literally 4 or 5 months left until we're in 2026. And remember, we always have that parabolic run a year after the halvening. So yeah, looking pretty promising. Slight little pullback today, but I think we're going to bounce back here. Okay, so a new U.S. EU trade deal has reduced uncertainty by replacing proposed 30% tariffs with 15%, boosting U.S. market sentiment. However, some European leaders criticized the terms as lopsided. The agreement contributed to a strong U.S. dollar imposing. Yeah, a lot of people are talking about this deal, and they're saying it's one-sided. It just benefits the U.S. I'm not sure how they struck that deal. I'm not sure who negotiated it for Europe. But yeah, a lot of people were talking about that. Okay. What else? So it says that Ethereum's ETFs are leading capital inflows with last week's tally at 1.6 billion to 1.4 billion, outpacing Bitcoin's ETF. Yeah, 'cause this is kind of like the trend right now. So we're getting a lot of a lot of more inflow into the ETFs for Ethereum opposed to Bitcoin. This is kind of why we're seeing Ethereum hold strong. In my opinion, once we break that 4,000 level, we are going to see new all-time highs for Ethereum here pretty soon. A lot of people are speculating 8 to 10,000 this cycle. Some people are even higher. They're thinking like 15 to 20. In my opinion, I think 8 to 10 is reasonable. But if you are invested in Ethereum, I would be taking profits along the way because just waiting for 15,000. I think if you're going to be holding it for 10 years plus, then yeah, I mean, holding it until it gets to 15,000. But if you're trying to make money this cycle, I would definitely take profits along the way, right? Okay, let's play some chess. Not much today, not much going on in the markets. Slightly down a little bit for crypto. The indices are up, I believe. Let me check the indices really quick. So it looks like the New York Stock Exchange is down a little bit. The Dow Jones is down a little bit. NASDAQ is up. So it looks like tech is up. Yeah. So not much. I think later on in the week we have Jerome Powell. We know we're not going to get rate cut this month, but it's going to be very telling what he speaks about. A lot of people pay attention to what he says because it could be telling on when we're going to get that rate cut, what month it's going to come in. Most people are speculating September. But yeah, a lot of people pay attention when he talks, so I think that's going to be Wednesday. They usually have their meeting on Wednesdays. So pay attention to that. That should be very telling for the market. And I'm trying to think if there's any other news or any other economic data. I don't know if GDP numbers will be coming out this week. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna have some more news throughout the week, and I think it'll once we get closer to that first day of August, it's gonna be very telling for a lot of these cryptos. All right, so let's play some chess. I'll probably play a few games and then call it a day here. All right. I'm gonna break the center here. Um, he could have trapped my bishop. There we go. All right. Let's see. Move that out the way. I'll push this out. There we go. Throw this out. Hmm. Oh, darn it. I don't know how I didn't see that. Hmm. Oh, darn it. Didn't see that either. You got a free thing there. Yeah, I'm playing super bad this game. Hey, what's up, Mauricio? What's up? What's up? I'm playing terrible. It's the first game, though. First game of the day. So, got to get the rust off. All right, I think I'm just going to resign. I'm going to play another game, a couple more. Let's try to play some better defense. Let's see. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. Have you been busy with work? Or I think you said you were in school, not work. Or I think you work too, right? All right, got to cancel here. Should be good to go. I just got to push this up. I'm starting very slow. Let's move that. I think this will be okay. Darn it. Maybe get a free pawn. Yeah, I got laid off from my remote insurance company. Oh man, that sucks. Sorry to hear that. I got rid of my remote insurance company, but I did get a job in tech downtown Austin. So that's pretty good, man. Able to bounce back pretty quick. Still in school. Yeah, that's what I remembered you telling me. Why did they lay off? Did they just not need people or what? Oh, he resigned. Or his disconnect. He got disconnected. Oh well, sucks. All right. Well, I'll get an automatic W. That always works out. Yeah. All right. Let's play another one. All right. Let's be serious now. Don't do it. Don't take with the bishop. Yeah. Oh, darn it. That was terrible of me. Should have never did that. Because now he's going to come back with his queen. Yep. That's fine. It's okay. I can let it open up. That's what he wants. It's not going to really help much. But, okay. Do this. That's fine. Let's just get rid of this. It's gonna get annoying. Open this up. Hmm. I feel like this is the best. Pushes him back. Um, let's do this. Yeah, he's gotta come down. I feel like I gotta trade this, huh? I think that's checkmate. Yeah, that's checkmate right there. All he has to do is go to F1. Not sure why they laid off around 25 people. Dang, that's a lot. He has checkmate on F1. Yeah, I know for like the tech industry too, like for people that are engineers, like that whole like coding and stuff, a lot of that stuff is taken by AI. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it because insurance, I feel like you need people to actually sell. So I'm not sure, like customer service. Yeah, I knew he had to check me. I was like, why is he waiting so long? Took forever. Or maybe he wanted me to say something. I'm not sure. All right, let's play another one. That one wasn't that bad, but I gotta pay attention. Yeah, but I think there was another company too. I'm not sure if it was Amazon, but there's a lot of companies laying off people. And again, I'm not sure if it's because of AI or what's going on, but there's a lot of people getting laid off, especially people that work from remote. Like that whole thing with COVID, like they wanted people to work remote. Now, like you see companies just like making people come back into the office, right? I think that's kind of like the push. Like, okay, and maybe because people are inefficient, they see people are inefficient, like working from home. So they're like, okay, let's get these people back into the office. I'm not sure. Yo, what laptop do you have? My Mac Air is on its last leg. Yeah, so I had a Mac Air. I switched over to the MacBook Pro. I would recommend getting a MacBook Pro. It's like the best laptop. I actually got to get a new one because I had since 2021, I believe, and then I had a Mac Air since like 2010. But yeah, I would definitely recommend making that switch to the Air, Max Pro. All right. What is he trying to do here? I think we're good if we castle. Hey, that was terrible. Yeah, but for work, I have they provide my work laptop, but I have the Lenovo for the work laptop, which I think is standard for most people. All right, I think we're good here. But yeah, I would definitely recommend getting the MacBook Pro for sure. It's a bit of expensive. Like when I get this new one, I'm gonna make sure I get the most memory. I know it's probably gonna cost me like an additional $500 because the laptop itself is already 25 to 3 grand. If you add more memory, it's gonna be like 35, close to $4,000 for a laptop. But it's well worth it. They're really good laptops. I don't want to get rid of my queen. Especially if you're gonna get into like, yeah, I think I'm gonna upgrade to the new. Yeah, definitely get the Pro, the MacBook Pro. Especially if you're gonna start doing like, I mean, I ended up getting the MacBook Pro because I started YouTube, so I was like, all right, let me get a quality laptop to edit, and it's perfect for editing. This dude wants to trade so bad, but I don't want to do it. Let's see. I think I trapped this queen for a little bit, just for a little. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, let's think about this. I'm running out of time. Darn it. All right, let's do that. I'm gonna lose a horse, unfortunately. Yep, got the horse. Oh my goodness, he blundered that. That's crazy. Can I get a checkmate? Let's see. Ah, shoot. Darn it, lost on time. I suck at blitz. All right, let me do one more, and that'll be it. One more. Let's try to get the W here. All right. Yeah, let's break it. Here. Let's do that. Ah, darn it. Gave up that free. Do you think ChatGPT Pro is worth the $20? Yeah, honestly, I mean the free version's pretty good, but if you're getting that message, got something in my mouth. If you're getting that message that says, "Oh, you need more memory," I would do it. $20 is not that bad, and it's very helpful. I use it every day, so I would definitely pay the $20. They're free. Like there's another one that's free. It's called Venice. I think Venice AI, but I don't know if it has an app. Um, but I think you can search it up on, on just go into veniceai.com and use their free. It's like an open source version of ChatGPT where they don't lock in your data and stuff like that. He's gonna sacrifice, huh? All right, let's get him. I think it's gonna be checkmate here. Yep. Darn it. Yep. Yeah, but I think it's worth it. I think ChatGPT $20. I mean, it's very useful, right? Like now they have the images. Like you can ask it to create images. You can um, ask it to read a book. Like if you have a PDF version of a book, read it, break down the book. I mean, it's very helpful. How do I get into finance without a finance degree? I mean, you could do finance with anything, right? You could do sales. You can work at a dealership. You could trade stocks. Really, I mean, if you don't want a degree, I honestly didn't learn anything that I know now from my degree from college. So, stocks, crypto, I learned all that on my own. Like, I didn't learn that in school. So, you can learn financial services. Oh, like banking? Well, I would recommend becoming a teller. That's what I did. I became a teller before I had any degree. You could become a teller, and then within like a year, maybe not even a year, 6 months, if you're working hard, they'll promote you to member service rep. So then you start opening loans and checking accounts and stuff like that, and then you can move up. I know people that don't have any type of degree, but they started off as a teller and they worked themselves up to become a member service rep, open loans, and some people go into the mortgage department. Some people start opening up business loans, and that's just the front end, right? That's front office. So currently, I work in the back of the bank, like first and second line, but I don't work with customers. So there's like the two parts to a bank. There's that front, that retail services where you go into a bank and you open up a checking account, savings account, credit card. Well, credit card you do online, and then there's that back end piece where they're handling all the operational stuff, like controls, compliance, legal, and all that stuff. Honestly, probably the back office is way bigger than the retail. Obviously, most of the money comes from retail, but a lot of the stuff that goes on the bank is on the back end. So, yo, my username is Kugu. Please play me. Send me an invite. Well, we could do one blitz game. If you send me an invite within a minute, I'll play you because this is gonna be my last game. But yeah, that's how you get into financial services. I would say if you don't want a degree, you can also, I think you could get your like series, what is it, series 7 or series 8, become like a financial consultant or something like that. But again, all that stuff you can learn on your own. Like you can learn how to trade stocks, you can learn how to do options on your own. So a lot of it's available. Like the information's out there. I wouldn't be worried about a degree. My user's right there. Look, right at the corner. Davi 105. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I got into banking before I got my degree. So you can't see it. I think it's right here on my screen. You see where my arrow's at? DAHVVI105. Oh, too pixelated. Okay. Yeah. So can I add a comment? Let me add. I think I can add a comment in here. Yeah. Let me. I'll put it in the chat. Give me a sec. Right there. Send me a blitz because I don't want to do. I'm not gonna play a rapid. Rapid. My score. I'm at 1400, so I don't want to mess up. I usually don't do that live because I want to pay attention to my rapid games. Where's the invite? I don't see it. All right, I'll give you a minute. It says not found. What? Did I send you the right thing? Let's see. So DA. Yeah, I send you the right thing. I wonder where you're looking at. I mean, it can't say that I'm not real because I'm playing right live. Oh no, man. Maybe you need. I'm not sure why you can't find me. I should be on there. But if not, oh, there you go. Oh wait, no, is that? It might be you. I don't know. I think it is. All right. It's just, if this is you, you're rated 300. So it looks like you just started. That was a blunder from me. Huge blunder. And I can't do that either. Okay. You got a free piece there. Oh, that's not you. It's somebody else. All right. Well, this is my last game. I go live every Monday and Wednesday, so you can catch me when I go live. I would not make these mistakes in Rapid, just to let you guys know. I'm like level 1400. I hate playing fast. It's I suck. I just haven't caught up yet. Oh, we're playing right now. All right, cool, man. Welcome to the channel. You're my last game. No, no problem, man. I go live Monday and Wednesday, so come back. I thought this was you. But it looks like somebody else sent me a request. Nice. So I got my piece back. There. All right. I think I'm gonna take. I did not. I mean to castle. See, that's what happens. See a misclick. All right, but I think I can go ahead and castle manually here. Yep. All right, let me get the file. You can hear all my thoughts, so it's not fair. But I should be pretty good here. All right. Okay, so you're gonna get that bow. Okay, that's fine. I could take that. Darn it, I wish you didn't take that. I was going to pin you. All right, but I think I got this. I think I got this game. We could trade. All right. All right. I think I got this. Yeah, pretty much. Let's see if I do this. Oh, I think I'm good. There we go. Perfect. All right. Good game, man. All right. Okay. There we go. Good game, man. How to become a millionaire. Is that a question or I'm not sure what that is. All right. That was my last game. But yeah, I go live Monday, Wednesday, and I'm going live Sunday. So I haven't been putting out long form content Sunday because I'm going to be switching it up by the end of the year. I'm probably going to do a lot of more actual investing stuff. So I want to kind of tailor my long form videos to be like, maybe I do like a mock account with a certain amount of money and then show like the progress and so I just want to switch up the content. So right now I'm just doing live streams Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. So make sure you guys tune in for that. Oh, how to become a millionaire? By investing, right? I mean, it's I you know, investing, saving your money. I mean, there's different ways, right? A lot of people think like, oh, you got to open up a business or, whatever the case may be. But yeah, it's, there's different ways, right? Uh, but yeah, so I go live Monday, Wednesday, Sunday, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I want to release on Sunday for the long form. So if you check out what I have already, I mean it's kind of like generic stuff, but I want to be more tailored and make it more helpful. So maybe like tutorial videos, like on a portfolio or a crypto portfolio or stock portfolio or something like that. Something more relatable, so that way I get a little more specific questions, right? And not like generic questions. Can we play chess? Not today, because that was my, sorry, excuse me. That was my last game. So I played like five before that person, and then somebody was trying to send me a request, but then somebody else sent me a request. But like I said, I go live Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. So if you can add me right now on chess.com, and then we can play the next time I go live. But I have to get off right now because I have some stuff I have to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.